Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make an e-commerce website in Odoo. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining and doing. And before starting, make sure that you have an active Odoo website module installed, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that. And by the way, creating an e-commerce website lets you sell products directly from your Odoo website. And once you're here, what you will do is you will go to configuration and then you will click apps, which is right here, and wait for it to load. And once you're here, make sure that your e-commerce is already installed. And if you've installed it already, what you will have to do is go back here, and then next is go to you will have to click this new icon, new button right here, and then basically you'll just have to click product, which is right here. And now what you will do is you will create your product, so it could literally be anything, and then just fill in the name, the description, if it's here or if it's available, and the picture, the barcode, the website category, and so on. And yeah, just fill out everything, and then once you're done with all these stuffs, you'll just have to click save. And then next, what you will do is configure your payment method. So basically what you will do is you will click configuration again, so to go back here, and then you will just have to click payment methods. So wait for it. So now that you're here, what you will do is you will enable options like PayPal or Stripe if you already have it here listed. But if you don't have it yet, then you could go to payment acquirers, and then you will enable those options that you prefer. And yeah, finally you will just have to publish your website if you're already satisfied with it. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.